So, dear students, now I will discuss about derivative of parametric functions. Parametric functions, parametric functions means what? Uh, Generally, in the case of function, we see what x and y. Generally, we suppose y is function of x. But if the value of x and y are in such a way that the value of x, the value of x and value of y. X is given like 2t square plus 1. Y is given 3tq minus 2t plus 1. That is what? Here x and y both are given in terms of t. That is our related variable x and y are also connected by this relation. That is, in this case, in this case, we say that our function is given in parametric form. X is function of t, y is also function of t. That is, x is function of t and also y is function of another function t. दूसरे फॉर्म में होगा. So here, suppose a question if this question, then x is function of theta and also y is function of theta. So here y is depending on x, but their values are given in terms of another quantity, that is theta, here t. So in this case we say that the function is given in parametric form. So and we have to find the value of dy by dx. Dy by dx, finding dy by dx, also we can get the value of derivative in terms of t here, in terms of theta here. After finding in terms of theta, then you have to put theta equals to pi by 2. So पैरामीट्रिक फंक्शन का डेरिवेटिव कैसे करना है? अगर ये t के फॉर्म में, t के फॉर्म में, so here we can write like this: dy upon dx equals to dy by dt upon dx by dt. This can be written like this: dy by dx equal to dy by dt dx by dt, because y भी t के फॉर्म में, x भी t के फॉर्म में. So separately you have to find dx by dt and dy by dt simply by differentiating, and then putting this value in here, you can get dy by dx in terms of t. If for particular case, then you can put the value of the parameter. Okay, so here we are finding derivative at theta equal to pi by 4 in these questions. Okay, so for this, first of all we have to find what? Dx by d theta, dy by d theta, then we can write dy by dx equal to dy by d theta by dx by d theta. So here given what given? X equals to a cos theta plus log of tan of theta by 2. Okay, in this question given. Now what we have to find? Dx by d theta. So differentiate with respect to parameter, that is theta, we get what? Dx by d theta, maybe t also, dx by d theta equals to, differentiate this only. Okay, term by term differentiate, a constant cos theta, differentiation of cos theta will be a common. Okay, differentiation of cos theta will be what? Minus of sin theta with respect to theta. Similarly, plus, now differentiation of this is composite function of theta. So first of all, log per differentiation, log. So 1 upon differentiation of log, 1 upon so tan of theta by 2 first, and then differentiation of tan, that is sec square theta by 2, and again differentiating theta by 2 with respect to theta, 1 by 2, that is 2. So this is derivative. Okay, now solve it, just simplify. Always you have to simplify like this type of relation. Minus sin theta plus, now you can solve it. How? Sec square theta means नीचे आएगा तो cos square theta. And here tan means sine upon cos. So one cos will be cancelled and one cos will remain. So we have to find like this, sin theta by 2 and cos theta by 2. Okay, one cos will be cancelled, so here sin, here cos, so sin theta by 2, cos theta by 2, 1 upon. Okay, so simplifying this, minus sin theta plus 1 upon what, 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 means sin theta. Okay, sin 2 theta का फॉर्मूला यूज करना है. So this is equals to what, a taking LCM minus sin square theta plus 1 upon sin theta. So what is this? 1 minus sin square theta means cos square theta. So this is equals to a cos square theta upon sin theta. Okay, so this is the value of dx by d theta. So we get what, dx by d theta equals to a cos square theta upon sin theta. ये dx by d theta की वैल्यू हो गई. Similarly we can get for y dy by d theta. Okay, so find dy by d theta. Also given what, y equals to a sin theta. So again differentiate with respect to what, theta. With respect to theta we get, differentiate with respect to theta we get what, dy upon d theta equals to a sin theta का डेरिवेटिव क्या होना है, cos theta. So this, okay, dy by d theta equal to this. This is equation 1 and 2, and this was 1. Okay, now we have to find the value of dy by dx. So just put the value where. So now we have dy upon dx equals to what, dy upon d theta upon dx by d theta. We can write like this, dy by d is equal to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. So put the value, dy by d theta what, a cos square theta upon what, sin theta upon dy by d theta, a cos theta. Now solve it, what, a cos square theta upon sin theta into 1 upon a cos theta. This is equals to what, 1 cos cancel, a cancel, cos by sin. So dy by d theta, a cos theta, dy by theta. Oh, sorry. Here dy by d theta means a cos theta. A cos theta divided by what? A cos square theta upon sin theta. So by solving you can get like this, sin theta upon cos theta. This is equals to tan of theta. Okay, so we have just like this, dy by d is equal to tan theta. Now at theta equals to pi by 4, at theta equals to pi by 4 equals to tan of theta के प्लस पे pi by 4 रख देना, equals to 1 at theta equals to pi by 4. So the derivative dy by dx is equals to 1 at theta equals to pi by 4. Okay, so this type of question, that is parametric functions, very simple finding derivative. You have to differentiate both x and y with respect to parameter and then put the value just like this. dy by dx equal to dy by d of parameter, dy by d of parameter, dx by d of parameter, then dy by d theta and dx by d theta, or dy by dt or dx by dt. Just you have to put the value here and solve it. And for a particular value of parameter, you can put the value of parameter, then get the value. So here the value dy by dx equals to 1. Okay.
Question 7 of exercise 5.6. If x and y are connected parametrically by the equation without eliminating the parameters, find dy by dx, x equal to this, y equal to this. Here the given functions are in terms of parametric form. That is, the value of x and y are given in terms of t. Here t is parameter, and we have to find the value of dy by dx. So let us solve. Given relations are x equal to this and y equal to sin qt upon root cos 2t and y equals to cos qt upon root cos 2t. We can write dy upon dx equals to dy by dx into dy by dt into dt by dx. Here dt by t, then transferring dt here and dx here, then we can get like this dy by dx equal to dy by dt into dt by dx. So this can be written as dy by dt upon dx by dt. So this is our formula for finding dy by dx. Dy by dx equals to dy by dt and dt dx by dt. Okay, now one by one we have to find dy by dt and dy by dx by dt. Here x equal to t in terms of t and y equal to also in terms of t. So we can differentiate x and y with respect to t. So calculating dy by dt. Here y equals to cos qt upon root of cos 2t. So differentiate with respect to t, dy by dt equals to d by dt of this rational function. Division formula will apply here. So u cos qt v root cos 2t. So u by v. Now u by v dash is our formula, u dash v minus v dash u upon v square. Here u is cos qt. Okay, so u dash means cos qt, d cos qt upon dt root of cos 2t, this is v minus of dy dt of root cos 2t into cos qt upon root cos 2t square, v square. V square v and u dash minus v dash u. Okay, now differentiating cos qt with 3 cos square t into d by dt of cos t again, root of cos 2t minus here also square root function, so 1 upon 2 root cos 2t, then differentiate also to cos 2t and cos qt upon this. Clear? Now solve it. 3 cos square, the derivative of cos means minus sine, and here derivative of cos 2t means minus 2 sine 2t. Now solve minus 3 cos square t sin t root of cos 2t plus 1 upon root cos 2 to cancel here. So sin 2t cos qt upon root cos 2t square. Clear? Now you taking LCM in numerator, so root cos 2t is in the denominator, and now multiply root cos 2t to here, this plus of sin 2t cos q 2t. Root of this is multiplied by root is cancel out. So here cos 2t sin 2t cos qt upon this, and the LCM part go to the denominator, root of cos 2t, root of cos 2t power 3, here 2 times, here 1 times. Now cos square t take out common from here, then we get minus 3 cos 3 sin t cos 2t plus cos t single will remain sin 2t. Cos 2t power 3 by 2 power 2 and 1 3 1 by 2 3 by 2. Clear? Now that was this is the value of dy by dt. Now we have to find the value of dx by dt. So calculating dx by dt, here x equals to sin qt by root cos 2t. Again differentiating with respect to t, dx by dt, dy by dx of this. Again using the formula, division formula u by v, in a similar fashion like dy by dt. So d sin qt by dt root of cos 2t minus d by d of t. Sorry, here t, here will be t root of cos 2t sin qt upon root cos 2t square. Same, but differentiate 3 sin square t d sin t by dt, and minus of here also differentiation 1 upon 2 root cos 2t d by dt, here will be t cos 2t. So sin, derivative of sin is cos t, and cos 2t minus 2 sin 2t minus sin 2t into 2, 2 cancel here. As similar here, taking LCM, and root cos 2t go to the denominator. Okay, root cos 2t, and cos 2t is here. So and root cos 2t is multiplied by, and cos 2t on single cos 2t. Here we can common take out common sin square t, 3 sin square t cos 2t sin 2t sin qt upon cos 2t power 3 by 2. Taking common out sin square t, 3 cos t plus in dot cos 2t plus sin 2t sin t cos 2t power 3 by 2. Now this is the value of dx by dt. Clear? So we have got value of dy by dt and dx by dt. Now putting these values in dy by dx. Now since dy by dx equal to dy by dt by dx by dt, so putting the value here, we get dy by dx equals to, just put the value dy by dt upon dx by dt. Clear? Now cos 2t power 3 by 2, cos 2t power 3 by 2, denominator in both, so cancel out. Here we get cos square t minus 3 sin t cos 2t plus cos t sin 2t. Similarly sin square t cos square by sin square, as it is, put write the value here. Finally we get like this, cos square t by sin square t, cos square t by sin square t, and minus 3 sin t cos 2t cos t sin 2t. Also here cos 2t sin 2t. Now cot square t by sin square t means cot square t. Now this is the value minus 3 sin t cos 2t, same value here we write. Now solve it. How can solve it? In numerator and denominator, take common out cos 2t, taking common out. That means we can write like this, minus 3 sin t cos 2t common out. So minus 3 sin t plus cos t sin 2t by cos 2t. Clear? And similarly cos 2t common out in denominator. So 3 cos t plus sin t sin 2t by cos t. So here 10 2t we can write like that. Cos 2t will be cancel out. So cot square t minus 3 sin t plus cos t tan 2t upon 3 cos t plus sin t tan 2t here. Okay. Now also taking common from here cos t, also from here cos t. So we get cos t common out like this, cos t common out like this, minus 3 sin t by cos t, here 10 t, 10 to t. Cos t common out, then sin t by cos t, 10 to t. Okay. Now we can write sin t by cos t 10 t, sin t by cos t 10 t. So dy by dx equals to cot square t minus 3 cos cancel here. So minus 3 10 t plus 10 to t upon 3 plus 10 t 10 to t. So cot square t of, here we can write like this, 10 to t minus 3 10 t upon 3 plus 10 t 10 to t, by using formula using tan 2 theta equals to 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta, 1 minus tan square theta here, 1 minus tan square theta. We know the formula tan 2 theta equals to 2 tan theta upon 1 minus, here will be minus, means print is here, minus 1 minus tan square theta. So tan 2t equals to 2 tan t upon 1 minus tan square t. Similarly here tan 2t equals to 2 tan t upon 1 minus tan square t. Now solving it, by taking LCM, 1 minus tan square t, denominator is also 1 minus tan square t, and this into multiplied by here this. Similarly here multiply 3 into multiplied by this. Now 1 minus tan square t, 1 minus tan square we cancel, and after solving we get like this, 2 tan t minus 3 tan t 1 minus tan square t. Now solve it, 2 tan t minus 3 tan t plus 3 tan qt, multiplied it here, also multiplied by here. Then finally we can get like this, minus 2 minus 3 minus tan t plus 3 tan qt upon 3 minus tan square t. Here we can write like this, taking out minus sign. So tan t minus 3 tan qt upon 3 minus tan square t. So finally minus cot square t tan t minus 3 tan qt upon 3 minus tan square t. Now multiplied cot square t to numerator, that means cot square t, take it inside the bracket. So cot square t tan t minus 3 tan qt cot square t, this 1 tan cot cancel, here will be single, here cot square t 1 by tan square t, also cot square t 1 by tan square t. So here tan t cancel, 1 by 10 1 by 10, taking LCM 3 minus tan square t. Okay. 1 t, here also single t. So now taking LCM in numerator, then we can get like this, 1 upon 10 t, 1 minus 3 10 t 10 t. So finally 1 minus 3 10 square t upon 10 t into 3 minus 10 square t. So multiply 10 t inside the bracket. So 3 10 t minus 10 qt, 1 minus 3 10 square t by 3 10 t minus 10 qt, that is minus of 1 upon, take it in the denominator of denominator. So that is, it can be go to here. So 3 10 t minus 10 qt upon 1 minus 3 10 square t. So minus of this, we know that tan 3 theta, tan 3x equals to 3 tan x minus 10 qx upon 1 minus 3 tan square x. So this formula can be applied here. So this will be changes to tan 3t minus 1 upon tan 3t. 1 by 10 means cot. So dy by dx equal to minus cot 3t. This is the value of derivative of this question. Dy by dx equal to minus cot t 3t. Clear? So here in this questions we are using many formula and for reducing long process. So remember it, very important questions. Okay. Question 9 of exercise 5.6. If x and y are connected parametrically by equations without eliminating the parameter, find dy by dx. Here x equal to a sec theta, y equal to b tan theta. So let us solve it. Given relations are x equal to a sec theta, y equal to b tan theta. Here also we can write dy by dx equals to dy by dx into d theta by d theta. So d theta, transferring d theta here and dx here. So we get like dy by d theta by dx. That is, also we can write dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. So this will be our formula. So first of all we have to find the value of dy by d theta and dx by d theta. Okay. So calculating dy by d theta. Here y equals to b tan theta. Now differentiate with respect to theta on both sides. Dy by d theta, dy by d theta, b tan theta, differentiate with respect to theta. Then here b is constant, so taking out dy by d theta tan theta. Tan theta, derivative of tan theta is sec square theta. So b sec square theta. Okay, now dy by d theta equals to b sec square theta. So this is the value of dy upon d theta. Now we have to find the value of dx by d theta. So dx by d theta, for this x equal to a sec theta is here, x equal to a sec theta. Similar, differentiate with respect to theta on both sides. So dx by d theta, here d by d theta, a sec theta, a is constant. So taking out of this, now d by d theta sec theta, derivative of sec theta is sec theta tan theta. So dx by d theta. So very simple. So dy by dx and dy by d theta and dx by d theta, value of this we got. Now putting these values in dy upon dx. Therefore dy upon dx equal to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. So we can put here the value of dy by d theta and dx by d theta. So putting values dy by d theta b sec square theta, dx by d theta e sec theta tan theta. These values are we have already find. So now solving it, sec on 1 sec cancel, sec by 10. So b by a sec by tan theta. Now you can reduce it as a sec means 1 by cos and tan means sin by cos. So 1 by cos will be cancelled. So b by a into 1 by sin theta. Okay, cos theta cancel, b 1 by sin theta. So b by a 1 by sin theta. 1 by sin theta means cosec theta, b by a cosec theta. So derivative is this, that is dy by dx, the value of derivative in terms of theta, because functions are given in terms of theta. This is the parametric function, value of x and y are given in terms of theta. So derivative is finding in terms of theta like this, b by a cosec theta. Okay. So this is very simple questions. This was the solution of question 9 of exercise 5.6. Now let us take questions 11 of exercise 5.6. Here, if x equal to root of a sin inverse t, y equal to root of a cos inverse t, then show that dy by dx equal to minus y by x. We have to prove this. That is, we have to find the value of dy by dx. That should be minus y by x. Clear? So let us solve it. Solution: given x equal to root of a sin inverse t, y equal to root of a cos inverse t. Okay, here parametric function, both value in terms of t. So finding first of all dy by dx means dy by dx, we can write dy by dx equal to dy by dx into dt by dt. So dt transferring dt in a similar, dy by dt into dt by dx. Also we can write dy by dt upon x by dt. So dy by dx equal to dy by dt and dx by dt. We have to find the value of dy by dt and dx by dt. So one by one we have to find. So finding dy by dt, here y equals to root of a cos inverse t. So differentiate with respect to t on both sides. So dy by dt equals to d of dt root of a cos inverse t. So derivative of square root function, that is 1 upon 2 root of a cos inverse t into again derivative of a to the power cos inverse t. Okay. So 1 upon 2 root of this dy dt of this. We know the formula dy d theta, not theta, dy dx, sorry, dy dx at to the power x, that to the power x log a. So by using this formula here, a to the power, this is our variable. So uh, using this formula, a to the power cos inverse t is this here, and is a constant log a into derivative of again cos inverse t. So a to the power cos inverse t log a into cos inverse t, derivative of cos inverse t minus 1 upon root 1 minus t square. The derivative of cos inverse t is this. Okay. Now finally we get minus a cos inverse t log a, clear, upon 2 root a to the power cos inverse t into root 1 minus t square. So this is the value of dy by dt. Okay. Now we have to find dx by dt. Here x equal to root of a sin inverse t. In a similar fashion, differentiate with respect to t. Dx by dt, dy by dt. This implies dx by dt equals to again square root, derivative of square root function. So 1 upon 2 root of this into dy by dt of a sin inverse t. Also we know formula d by dx, a to the power x equal to a to the power x log a. So using this formula here, we can get d by dt sin a to the power sin inverse t means a to the power sin inverse t into log of a, and then again derivative of sin inverse t, and we know that the derivative of sin inverse t equal to 1 upon root 1 minus t square. So put here 1 upon root 1 minus t square. So finally we get dx by dt equals to a sin inverse t log a upon 2 root of this root 1 minus t square. So this is the value of dx by dt. Thus we have got the value of dy by dt and dx by dt. Now putting this value in dy by dx for finding derivative dy by dx. Okay. So dx by dt equals to, also we can write like this, because root of a sin inverse t, here root, here not root, so we can multiply this by numerator denominator, then dx by dt equals to 2 of root of 1 minus t square root of a sin inverse t. Clear? Root of this and root cancel, we can get like this. So dx by dt. Now therefore dy by dx equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt. We have to put the value here, dy by dt and dx by dt. So putting values, so dy by dx equal to dy by dt is here, dx by dt is here. Clear? Now 2 root 1 minus t square, 2 root 1 minus t square, both are cancel out, and we have the value like this. Root of this by this into numerator में जाएगा और denominator में, और this cancel, minus sign is remaining, and log a cancel, minus minus plus. So root of a cos inverse t, root of a sin inverse t, and this two quantity will be cancelled. So minus of root of this by root of this. Okay, minus of root of a cos inverse t upon root of a sin inverse t. So this is equals to y and this is equals to x. So we can write like this, as this is equals to y and this is equals to x. So this is the required result. That is, we have to find, here we find dy by dx in terms of y and x. Here dy by dx in terms of t, and here dy by dx in terms of y and x. So this is the required result. So we have shown this. Okay. So this was the solution of question 11 of exercise 5.6. Okay. Hence proved.